So today the session is note making, note taking, and online classes. So you guys also do this kind of things, I think. So yes, taking recording of the classroom, class and all, and writing the notes later on. That means it definitely notes taking. Definitely, it's a good habit basically. So when you catch a pen and the book related thing. Now I'm in the introduction part, notes taking introduction only, don't worry. So when you hold your pen and the book related, so at the same time, while you can observe in the picture also. So while reading a textbook or while reading a newspaper, in the news reading session also, newspaper reading session also, and in some period during our orientation week also, I already said, so reading a newspaper means just not like a reading. So keep a book here and just you have to write the things. So people's events, these are the things you have to write down, and any new word, maybe in the next day, you can recollect immediately. Whenever the doubt session, whenever sir is available with you, so you can't ask immediately at the time. This is important. Already you guys are having your textbooks. Everyone, textbooks are with you, right? Or else today, while I said in the morning, already I said, so I given you the weightage also. So 17 marks of weightage towards our cash book. In textbook also, immediately beside of cash book, so you can write there, or else you can highlight the chapter. Whenever you highlight, you shows that it is important. So using pen and paper, that shows that much of input. This all which is relates to alert. So pen and paper holding with you and writing note down and highlighting the things, each and everything. So learning, how to learn this thing means actively engaging with the topic by listening and then summarizing what you hear helps you understand and remember the information later. If any kind of faculty and all, theory part related thing, especially, but summarizing the things to refer later on, it will be helpful for you only. So you should scribble additional content of your learning. You have to make arrow marks, you have to make bullet points. You guys can maintain the things. Any visual image, any kind of flow chart related thing. Maybe already you guys having your 9th class, 10th class books also with you. Subjects you guys have to remember. It's not an easy thing. For me, it is concise version of the knowledge, which is an output of multiple books that you need to read. It acts as a reference material before you read text too. While lecture is going on, we can give so many kind of references. So while lecture is going on, we can tell like this. So the weightage, and also how many times this question is repeated in the board of intermediate examination and the competitive exam. So yes, and it's not for reference, it's basically yes, it's, and most important thing is it's skill also by writing, and it can improve handwriting also. See, it's a skill that will pay off in college, or you use it to hire school teachers handing out outlines or emailing copies of the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, sure. So these are the things basically. Yes, in further, it may be like that, emailing the works related thing and the presentations like PowerPoint presentations and all. Well, it will be helpful in the like graduation level by giving presentations, by giving seminars and all. Yeah. So seminars and all these kind of things will be later, but not now in this age. Definitely you guys have to habituate and you have to improve your skills. And most importantly, these writing skills, these are the things it will be, first of all, it should be developed in schooling level itself. We have to improve our own handwriting and all. Very beautiful handwriting. What are writings? If you observe, no handwriting will be similar to any other person. The curves, the lines, each and everything, it shows the difference. So writing that thing and presentation that thing, that is most important. Yes, running notes, additional important points, shortcuts, weightage, mnemonics, etc. So that means you can write running notes like while lecture is going on. These are the highlighted point and the points which you noted. You guys can remember easily. The classes which we are done, of course we are uploading, but only this is the main purpose, guys. If you guys, any class you guys missed due to technical issue or internet issue, or you guys are absent for any class, only at that time you can go to the recorded videos. To writing the notes by seeing the videos and all, you have to spend it with siblings, your friends. It's not easy thing and it's not a good thing also. So once notes is ready, running notes is ready and notes is done, we don't know which person will collect our papers. I mean, we don't know whether he is able to understand our language or not. So more time you have to use for practice itself, not for writing notes, not for running notes, not for this thing, not for that thing. If you want to make additional notes, that means while you're writing, if you want to add any other points, important points later on, just leave the space and you can continue with the running notes like that. Maintain notes for objective questions also, as they give you ideas later. So here on maintaining the running notes only, it will be easy for you to recollect the things. Right? Best notes point. Complete notes, legible notes, update notes. So at that time, each and everything should be clear. So note taking and legible handwriting, that is most important for you. Right?